In this module, we focused on the different types of charts which are generally made in MS Excel. Using charts is a useful tool for visualizing data sets in a graphical form. This helps in understanding data series and give out better presentations in front of the end users. Charts help in summarizing large amount of data in a small section of the worksheet and also helps in identifying trends, patterns. The first type of chart is a line chart. It is used to display trends over a period of time. For example, revenue growth rate for Reliance for last 5 years. Just by looking at the chart, a person can easily understand if the growth rate is steady or is faltering. The other type of chart is a column chart, which helps in comparing values across categories with the help of vertical bars. For example, if LG India wants to see the trend or revenue numbers from two segments, mobiles and TV, over the past 5 years, it can be done easily by making a column chart. In this case, for each year, the revenues from mobiles and TV will be shown as vertical bar. Now let's take a higher pedigree. What if you want to see both the revenue numbers and the revenue growth rate in one chart? In this case, you can make a combo chart, line and column. The line chart capturing the revenue growth rate, while the column chart capturing the revenue numbers. In the last part of the module, we covered a pie chart. This is a very simple yet useful tool. Suppose you are the sales head at Tata Motors. Your CEO wants to know the revenue share from different geographical locations, such as North India, South India, East India, and West India. In this case, you can make a pie chart, which will show you the market share for each of these locations. It's up to you whether you want to display the data in a percentage format or absolute numbers. However, usually in a pie chart, the share is depicted in a percentage format. There can be 2D pie charts and 3D pie charts, which can be made in Excel. Please keep in mind that mentioning proper chart titles, data labels, and formatting is important while creating a chart. This will ensure that the users of the chart is able to understand the trends and formulate a decision. That's a wrap for the session. In the next module, we are going to cover the different types of MS Excel functions widely used in calculations, such as logical functions, date functions, count functions, if functions, etc. The next module will be quite lengthy and will cover almost 30 different functions under various categories.